Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to write text in Alight Motion. To add or write text in Alight Motion, follow these steps. So first, open the Alight Motion app, tap the plus button to create new project. Set your desired resolution, frame rate, and aspect ratio. Then tap Create Project. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to open the Add Layer menu. Choose text from the list. A text box will appear on the screen. Tap on it to edit the text. Then type your desired text in the text field. Once you've entered your text, you can customize it. Tap Font to choose from the available fonts or import your own. Adjust the size ladder to increase or decrease the text size. Tap Color and Fill to choose the text color or add a gradient or pattern fill. Choose the text alignment, left, center or right, based on how you want the text to appear. Then tap on the check button on the top right corner. Now, to animate the text, tap on the transform. Then move the playhead to choose where you want the animation to start. Go to rotation and choose Add Keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want to finish the rotation. Then rotate the rotation on your preferred degree, and the animation is automatically created. Tap the play button at the top to preview how the text looks in the project. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.